You clean your kitchen, you store food in sealed containers, yet somehow you still hear scratching in the walls at night. If you've ever dealt with mice in your home, you know how frustrating it can be. Traps don't always work, and nobody wants to use harsh chemicals around their family or pets. But here's the surprising part. Some of the most effective mouse solutions might already be sitting in your kitchen right now. Mice are incredibly clever little animals. They can squeeze through holes the size of a coin, climb almost anything, and find food in places you'd never expect. That's why once they get inside a home, they can be hard to get rid of. The good news is that many simple home remedies can help keep mice away naturally. These solutions are affordable, easy to try, and much safer than using toxic chemicals. Some work by making your home smell unpleasant to mice, while others remove the things that attract them in the first place. Today, we're going to walk through several home remedies that people have used for years to keep mice away. Some may surprise you, and one of them is especially powerful when used the right way. Let's start with something most people already have in their kitchen: peppermint oil. Mice have an extremely strong sense of smell, and peppermint is one scent they absolutely hate. While humans usually find the smell fresh and pleasant, mice find it overwhelming. A simple trick is to soak cotton balls in peppermint oil and place them in areas where mice might enter. Think behind appliances, inside cabinets, near doorways, or along baseboards. The strong scent acts like a natural barrier that mice prefer to avoid. Many homeowners say this is one of the easiest natural deterrents to try. Another powerful remedy is keeping your home as scent-free as possible when it comes to food. Mice are constantly searching for easy meals. Even tiny crumbs can attract them. That means cleaning kitchen counters regularly, sweeping the floor often, and storing food in airtight containers. Pet food is another big attractor that people forget about. If you leave pet food bowls out overnight, mice may see that as an open buffet. Simply putting pet food away before bed can make a big difference. Now let's talk about another interesting trick: aluminum foil. Believe it or not, mice dislike the texture and sound of foil. When they walk on it, the crinkling noise makes them nervous. Some people place small sheets of foil in areas where mice travel, such as under sinks or near pantry corners. It's not a magic fix by itself, but it can make certain areas less comfortable for mice. Combined with other remedies, it helps create an environment they'd rather avoid. Another popular natural solution is cloves or clove oil. Just like peppermint, cloves have a very strong smell that mice dislike. You can place whole cloves in small sachets or mix clove oil with cotton balls and set them near entry points. This works best in small spaces like cabinets, drawers, and storage areas. The goal is to fill those tight areas with scents that mice simply can't tolerate. Next is something incredibly simple but very important: sealing entry points. Remember, mice can fit through tiny gaps. That means holes around pipes, cracks in walls, or small openings under doors can all become entryways. One trick many homeowners use is steel wool. Mice cannot chew through it easily. By stuffing steel wool into small holes or gaps, you block their access in a safe and inexpensive way. This step alone can stop a mouse problem from getting worse. Another interesting remedy involves using used tea bags. The strong smell of certain teas, especially mint-based teas, can discourage mice from hanging around. Placing dried tea bags in cupboards or near food storage areas adds another layer of scent protection. Now, let's talk about something that surprises many people: light and activity. Mice prefer dark, quiet areas where they feel safe. If a certain corner of your home is rarely used and always dark, it becomes the perfect hiding spot. Simply increasing activity in those areas can help. Turning on lights, cleaning regularly, and rearranging stored items removes the comfortable hiding places mice love. Many people also find success with simple homemade deterrent sprays. A mixture of water and peppermint oil sprayed along baseboards, entry points, and cabinets creates a scent barrier throughout the house. It's easy to make and can be refreshed every few days. When you combine several of these strategies, they become much more powerful. The goal is not just to chase mice away temporarily, but to make your home a place they don't want to stay. But here's the most important secret that many people overlook. The most effective mouse remedy is not just one trick. It's combining scent deterrents with removing food sources and blocking entry points at the same time. Think of it like closing every door at once. If mice can't smell food, can't find a quiet hiding spot, and can't enter easily, they will almost always move somewhere else. That's why people who use only one method sometimes feel like nothing works. But when you combine peppermint oil, proper food storage, steel wool sealing, and regular cleaning, the results can be surprisingly effective. In many cases, mice simply stop coming back. Dealing with mice can feel stressful, but natural solutions can make a real difference. Simple remedies like peppermint oil, cloves, steel wool, foil barriers, and proper food storage can turn your home into a place mice want to avoid. The key is consistency. Keep food sealed, block small entry points, and use strong scents in areas where mice might travel. When these habits work together, they create a powerful natural defense. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple health and home solutions that actually work. Your support helps us keep sharing practical tips that make everyday life easier. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried a home remedy that helped keep mice away from your home? Share your experience in the comments below.